Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw steel. So when you're drawing steel, what's important is that you try to decide what it is that you're drawing that's made out of steel. So in our case, we're going to draw a steel beam. So this beam, if you're looking at the beam, it has a very specific shape. It's like almost like a T, and then it comes down and it does the same thing on the other side. So that's looking straight onto the beam. Basically, this would be kind of the way that it would look if you were just looking on. It would be a little straighter than that, obviously, just like that. And then if you were, say, looking down from the top of it, you would see the other, you would see that shape on the beam. So if you're interested in making a steel material and drawing that, the best thing to do would be to use gray, white, and black colors, crayons, markers, paints, what have you, and to just basically blend and smooth the colors until you get a pattern that looks like the light is reflecting on it in a way that it might hit metal. So for example, if the light is shining from over here and you are drawing a piece of steel, you're going to leave this piece here uncolored, or you will color it white, and then the rest you will color a gray color, and then you will color this part here with a black shading so that the viewer can see, or if you're the viewer, you will see that the light will hit on one side, but the rest will be in the dark. And that is how you draw steel.